يا أيها الناس اتقوا ربكم يا أيها الناس, all mankind, all humanity, all mankind, all humanity, all people, اتقوا ربكم, be mindful of your Lord, fear your Lord, guard against evil. Why? إن زلزلة الساعة شيء عظيم, because the convulsion of the hour is a terrible one, because the earthquake of the hour is a terrible one. So due to that, be mindful of your Lord, fear your Lord, and on that day, يوم ترونها تذهل كل مرضعة عما أرضعت. On that day, the day that you will see the breastfeeding mother, the nursing mother will forget about her baby. The nursing mother, the breastfeeding mother who is breastfeeding her child will forget about her baby, will think no more of her baby. Fear that day. وَتَضَعُ كُلُّ ذَاتِ حَمْلٍ حَمْلَهَا, and all pregnant women, every pregnant woman will miscarry on that day. وَتَرَى النَّاسَ سُكَارَى, and you will see people as if they are drunk. وَمَا هُمْ بِسُكَارَى, and they are not drunk. وَتَرَى النَّاسَ سَكْرَى وَمَا هُمْ بِسَكْرَى وَلَكِنَّ عَذَابَ اللَّهِ شَدِيدٌ. You will see people as if they are drunk, but believe me, they are not drunk. As if they are drunk, and they are not drunk. You will see them as if they have taken intoxicated beverage, but no. What is making them act like that? وَلَكِنَّ عَذَابَ اللَّهِ شَدِيدٌ. The punishment of Allah is so severe. That's why you see the breastfeeding mother forget about her baby. That's why you see the pregnant woman miscarry. That's why you see people intoxicated and they are not intoxicated. Fear that day. I bear witness, the master of that day is one, and he deserves to be worshipped. I bear witness, the master of that day is just, and he is one and the only one, the absolute Allah. And I bear witness, our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is Allah's last and final messenger. إذا بلغت التراقي وقيل من راق